Rocket Child. Yeah.
Hello, I'm Rocket Child, and this video I will be explaining how to commission me for artwork. So come along and you'll go to my website, which is jess-mcl.com. So this is my website and portfolio where I upload my artwork. From the home page, you'll see that there is a big commissions bar on the carousel. So click on it to go to the next page. Click on the order a commission button and you'll be taken to a Google Doc page. So I've made this form as easy as possible. An animated project can vary in its price and in its delivery time based on a few factors, including how much detail is needed, the time required of the video, as well as the intended deadline and perhaps budget. So I've added in a few checkboxes that'll make things easier for you as the client to explain your project to me, that I could get a good idea on what you would need and how I can deliver it to you and give you a better quote. Also, do you like my new character? I made it in Adobe Character Animator. I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, if you want to see more art videos, please check out my channel and subscribe to see more updates. Thanks and bye.